the sunrise, at the waking of the day, when the songbirds celebrate new beginnings. And in the springtime, when the flowers fill the trees and the grass is growing green, I can see him.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, he is risen from the grave. Hallelujah, hallelujah, he is goodness, he is grace. Every day, every hour, I'm reminded of his power and his peace. Hallelujah, he is risen for me.
In the colors of each sunset in the sky, as it melts into the night, hope is given.